Do you want to know how you can download Midjourney images on your PC? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Midjourney images. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to midjourney.com and then log into your account. Let's suppose I want to download this image. I will click on it and you can see that there is no download option. I'll go ahead and click right click and then click save image. You can see that in a while this image will be downloaded. Go ahead and click open file and in a while you can notice that this file has been downloaded and now will open up. So if it doesn't open up, go ahead and open it yourself and you can see that you have downloaded your image. Now to download your image, go ahead and go to your archive. These are your creations. Go ahead and click on one and you can see download over here. Go ahead and click download and your Midjourney image will be downloaded. I hope this video about how you can download images on Midjourney was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.